Anybody who loves tech products knows that CES is the place to be when it comes to finding the products that will define our future. But what they don't tell you about CES is that many of those will never hit the market, or it will be so out into the distance that you'll be on to the next thing by the time you're able to bring it home. I'm Jacob Palmer from BestReviews.com, and I just returned to the peace and quiet of my own home from CES in Las Vegas after spending several days with one goal in mind, and that is to find the coolest products that are on the market now that you can have in your own hands without having to waiting 10 years in the future. Here are the coolest products from CES 2025 on sale right now. And if you liked any of these products and you want to bring one of them home for yourself, make sure you check the links below and also subscribe for more, because that is the best way to support our mission in bringing you the best product reviews on the internet as we help you simplify your purchasing decisions. Up first is the Garmin Instinct 3, a product that Garmin was really excited to show off at CES and that you can get right now for less than $400 on Amazon. At that price point, it's going to be cheaper than some of the higher end Garmin watches like the Phoenix line, because it doesn't come with as many of the more fancy bells and whistles, but what it does do is answer the call for that outdoorsy person in your life who wants all of the coolest features for a smartwatch that caters to somebody hiking, somebody adventuring. So what I love about it is, number one, if you get the solar model, basically that's going to give you unlimited battery because it will charge if you're in the right environment for it. That's really cool and we absolutely love that. But in addition to that, it comes with a durable, rugged build that the outdoorsy type will love, and also some functional features that I was really excited about, including the fact that you can drop breadcrumbs when you're using their GPS functionality, which is great for being able to find your way back when you're going out exploring, and also a flashlight for those unfortunate times where you might run out of daylight and still want to be able to see in front of you as you make your way off of the trail. Next up, we have the Gardyn 4.0, which coming in at around $850 is not going to be an insignificant investment, but it's one of those things that if you commit to it over time, you will end up making your money back because you can save so much. And as grocery prices are soaring, this is one way to make sure that you can cut down on the amount that you allocate to produce each and every week. Now here's the best part about the Gardyn 4.0. It comes with some seriously cool tech features and will allow even the most novice gardeners to be able to start growing their own crops indoors. And if you don't have that much space, you can always check out the studio model as well, which is tailored for folks, like the name suggests, that live in smaller spaces. My favorite part about the Gardyn systems is that they come with a camera that is fully loaded with AI behind it, so it will tell you if it's noticing you're doing anything wrong while you're growing the crops. So for example, it'll notice pests, it'll notice that it needs more water and alert you for that as well. For all of these reasons, it addresses some of the biggest weak points that we've noticed with other hydroponic systems, in that it's too easy for a beginner to make mistakes and end up not getting the money's worth out of the product. Lastly, as a parent of a toddler, the idea that you can plant basically anything you want, including berries, is an extremely exciting thing for me, because I would love to be able to pass by the blueberries, the raspberries, the strawberries every time I'm grocery shopping and not have to pay the grocery store every single time. And what we understood is that with Gardyn 4.0, you're going to be able to grow a ton of fruits and vegetables, and for many, that might be too much. And so you have options if that's the case for you. You don't have to commit to really creating your own urban farm. You can then replace it out with flowers and other things that just kind of build the ambiance in your living room and make it a more pleasant place to be. The next product speaks to me specifically. It comes to us from BriskIt, and it is an AI-powered grill that makes it easy for basically everyone to be a grill master. What does this do for the regular cook? It allows you to do a ton of things, and it will learn your habits over time. You could use the app and input, hey, I've got this piece of meat, these vegetables, and I want to be able to put together a meal. What should I do? The AI-powered app will be able to recommend a series of instructions to make sure that you're able to create a delicious meal. Now, this is perfect for anybody who's intimidated by cooking. And what I love about it too is that it's so set it and forget it. You put the meat in there, you stick the probes in there so it knows what temperature it's cooking at, and then when it's time, it will alert you it's time to go get the meat off the grill, and basically dinner will be ready. It's super exciting, and it makes it very accessible for everybody. And the craziest part about this product is that it's not that much more expensive than one of your higher end grills. Despite it working very simply with just wood pellets, and an electrical system, it basically makes it accessible for everybody, and they also have a range of sizes depending on what space you have available for your grill. Basically, what's exciting about this is that it's an example of AI being practical and realistic for most people's lives, and for that, we are really excited to give this a test out and see how does it compare to a Green Egg, how does it compare to a Traeger, which requires a little bit more expertise and a more manual approach. The concept of a walking pad gained in popularity during the pandemic. Folks were confined to their space, often working a ton, and needed a way to be able to get up, get the blood flowing, while frankly, still being behind the computer getting the job done. What we discovered at CES in this space is the KingSmith brand, which were on the forefront for this entire concept of a walking pad, and right now they have a model on sale at Amazon for less than $500 and more if the coupon is still available, which they were excited to roll out as a part of the CES event. Now, what's so cool about their line of products is that they have a patent to make these walking pads foldable, which is great for anybody who wants to be able to store it, put it away, and they're also fairly light, so you're able to move them around and not feel like it always needs to be under your desk. It's great for anybody who wants to be able to add this technology to their daily routine, and it's definitely something that we're excited to check out because as this technology becomes more and more widespread, as we know, the consumer is going to end up winning more and more often, and the price on this kind of stuff is going to come down. So if you're somebody who works from home and wants that way to get the blood flowing, check out the KingSmith Walking Pad right now, which is for sale. Like I said in the intro to the video, a lot of the times when you see a demo at CES, it's for a product that may never even hit the market. That's why it was such a breath of fresh air to see Nekasa rolling out their Magic Steamer 1 this CES. Now, what is the Magic Steamer 1? Basically, it's a steamer for your clothes that utilizes the technology of a vacuum behind it to make sure that you aren't wasting any steam as you're doing that process, which makes it a more efficient and effective process, which we absolutely love. I talked to the co-founder of the company, and she bemoaned the fact that basically there hasn't been any innovation when it comes to making your clothes look presentable in the beginning of the day, and so she went out to fix that, and this is what they came up with, and it's a really neat product, and it comes back to the fact that they started as a robot vacuum company and have the fact that they want to keep things neat and tidy at the core of their mission while also innovating and creating new products. I completely agree. We haven't really seen anything new when it comes to steamers or irons, and as somebody who has to iron and steam my clothes all the time, and who also has a white dog that tends to leave fur on everything, this seems like a super elegant solution to be able to solve a bunch of problems all at once. Now, I mentioned earlier about how sometimes product types get more competitive and brands try to create more and more competition within the market. When that happens, the consumer wins, prices go down, availability goes up. And so one great example of that is from the brand Uneekor, which is out of South Korea, and they create awesome golf simulator products. Now, this is an area that has exploded in popularity in the last few years as golf enthusiasts don't want to leave the house during the winter months, but they want to keep their games sharp. The problem is that a lot of the technology in this space is prohibitively expensive. We're talking $20,000 plus to be able to set up your own system. And Uneekor is coming in with technology that is bringing that price down for a few reasons. One is they have a whole line of products where no matter where they're competing with the biggest names in this space, they're going to be cheaper than them. But when I demoed their product, I was blown away by how fast it operated. There was no latency. You hit the shot and you see the shot on the screen almost immediately. They have price ranges for basically everyone, starting in the low 2000s. If you get the product that comes in at the 2000 range, you're going to have to pair it with a gaming computer, but if you get their product that's in the $4,000 price point, you can just use an iPad for that, which is a very cool accessible feature because it seems like most people have an iPad by now, and so that's the one that seems really exciting for the folks that maybe they have a hitting net in their backyard, maybe they have the setup in their garage. This is going to supercharge that and make it even more impressive. At Best Reviews, we love to tell people about the hidden gems, the products that just work great and are fairly priced, and some could even say cheaper and inexpensive. That is what Renpho is. They are an absolute hidden gem of a product maker. They make a whole series of eye massagers, which they were the originators of. And what they had at CES was the Eyeris 3, which was a super exciting product for a few reasons. Because number one, we loved the Eyeris 1, but we did have some notes for it. And it seems like the Eyeris 3 has addressed most of those. Number one, it fits perfectly on the nose. Even if you have a higher, bigger nose, it's going to have a more snug fit. So you'll feel a little bit more contained and feel like you're really getting that suction around there, so you're not losing any of the effort that the machine's going through. Number two, it also comes with a cold therapy insert that you can throw into your freezer, let it get nice and cold, and then lay it over your eyes after a long day, which will reduce puffiness, and as we've seen on TikTok, is a big beauty trend as well, so it adds that functionality too. And then third and finally, and probably the most exciting about it, it's voice controlled. And for anybody who's used this product type, they'll tell you that it covers your eyes completely, so it's a little bit hard when you're trying to figure out and work the controls. This, all you do is turn it on, and then you can tell it, hey Eyeris, let's go with heavy pressure and high heat. It's just a really cool product, and like Renpho's other products, it comes in very fairly priced, so we're going to see this as a great gift all year for those folks who suffer from migraines, and just for the folks that want to be able to, kind of unwind. It forces you to close your eyes. It forces you to kind of be still within yourself. You're not looking at a screen, you're not looking at content, and you're just kind of decompressing at the end of the day. Any dad will tell you that one of the main things that you lose when you become a dad is your ability to dictate what goes on the screens when you want it. And so we're really excited about this next product because as a 3-in-1 tablet, gaming console, and PC, you're able to make sure that you've got all of your needs covered. So what we're talking about today is the OneXPlayer X1 Pro. It is a super impressive piece of technology that can run all Steam games, and then if you want to, you can take the controller function off of it and then use it as a tablet, and then maybe you need to get some personal computing tasks done. All you have to do is attach the keyboard to it and it will function just as fast and just as impressively as what you would expect from a normal Windows operating system computer. And it also comes in at a fair price point when you consider that it contains all three of those functionalities. So it's coming in at around $1,200 to $1,300, maybe a little bit more depending on when you find it on the market. It's one of those products that can solve so many problems for you. And if you love playing Steam games, the graphics on this with the 2.5 card are super impressive, and I definitely recommend checking it out. Now to finish up this roundup, we've got a couple of products that were hugely popular over the 2024 holiday season. First up is the Yaber T2 outdoor projector. Now this sold out around the holidays because of how popular it was. It comes in at the perfect price point for a gift, a few $100s, and it's so functional for folks that are in RVs, for folks that love to be outdoors, or just for young folks. What we've realized is that younger shoppers kind of prefer that projector because it doesn't require them to be contained to one space. They can use it in their room, they can use it on the go, and now this product comes with a 2.5-hour battery life, so you can finish that movie fully out there if you want to, or it comes with a much longer battery life if you just want to use it as a speaker. Oh, and by the way, it works as a great speaker because of Yaber's partnership with JBL. So like a lot of the earlier projectors that we were seeing, they felt very underpowered when it comes to the sound. Yaber addressed that by partnering with JBL for speakers into all of their projectors. And they also announced some really cool technology in their brand new short throw projector that's worth checking out as well. It's the TS300, and it comes in at less than $1,000, which is pretty impressive because when you look across the space there, you are not finding that kind of technology for less than $2,000, $1,500. Now finally, we have the runaway favorite, surprisingly, of the 2024 season that's getting even better. It is the Smart Bird Feeder. It seems like it ended up on a lot of parents' lists, especially folks that live out in the suburbs and they want to be able to think, hey, what is that bird? What is coming to my backyard? I'd love to know. And so the Birdify series of products comes with a lot of technology, and their most recent one, which is their Smart Bird Feeder, has a more improved camera and better species detection, so you will be able to tell in the app right away what was it that just came up and patronize my wonderful bird feeder in my backyard. And what's great about it too is it's got a lot of fun features where you can share that footage and you can connect with others in your area or just in your family around what is coming into the backyard, and essentially using it as a trail camera for everyone, but especially if you've got that burgeoning bird lover in your life, you'll want to check out this product, and I expect this one, unlike some others, is gonna have a little bit of staying power in terms of being a popular gift year after year. Well, thanks for watching my coverage from CES 2025. It was an absolute blast being able to see everything, and hopefully this allows you to bring some of the newest, coolest tech into your own life, even if you've got to wait a little bit of time before that thing that seems too good to be true hits the market. I'm Jacob Palmer from BestReviews.com, and don't forget to subscribe for more or comment below for what you want to see us review next. Thanks.